In this 2-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a pixel stretch. I found this image from pexels.com. It's a fabulous place to find high resolution photos to use in your work. The great part about it is that when you download it, it gives you the name of the artist so that you can give them credit once the piece is completed. So I'm taking this image and I just took the whole image and I placed it down here at the bottom, and I'm going to create what's called a pixel stretch. So I'm going to take my selection tools. I'm taking the horizontal single row marquee tool because my image, I want it to stretch upwards. And I'm going to come into my document, and you can see that it's a single pixel, so I could barely see it. But I do want to line it up where I'm kind of maximizing my color. I want to make sure I get all of those cool colors that are there. I'm going to go as close up to the top of the photo as I can. I'm going to do edit copy because I want to select and copy those pixels that are within that very thin line. So I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to create a new layer right above here, and I'm going to go edit paste, and it's going to paste that single. Now I can't even see it, right, because it's so tiny, it's so thin. So I'm going to grab my move tool. It's very important that you have with your move tool highlighted the auto select and show transform controls options clicked there, right? Otherwise you won't see that transformation box. I'm going to go down to the center, and in Photoshop it automatically changes things in transformation wise in terms of proportion, shape, and width and height at the same time. So I'm going to hold shift on my keyboard to unconstrain those proportions, and I'm going to pull up that pixel stretch. So essentially just took all the colors that I selected there and it stretched them upwards. I'm going to double click to apply the transformation, and you can see it in full color. So there you have a pixel stretch. You can do some cool things with this. It doesn't just have to be lined up. In the filter menu, you have a set of, in the distort, yes, in the distort option, you have a bunch of different filters here that you can use to edit the pixel stretch. It does not have to be straight lines, right? So I can twirl it, I can wave it, I can do all kinds of cool stuff. I'm just kind of like playing in here with what different things I could do with it. Maybe I don't want it to be, I just want it to be a little subtle. So I'm going to go ahead and hit OK, and you can see it's kind of got a little bit of a wave to it then. So there's a lot of options in there with fun things that you can do with the pixel stretch. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick tutorials on how to do fun effects in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.